Okay, this is not a video tutorial, or we are not going to talk about any specific programming language or software. Today we are going to generally talk about free and open software technologies. So why we need to stick with free and open software technologies? That is what the question today. So it is always better to um, stick with free and open software technologies. That will be my advice to all the people who are looking for jobs, or students or freshers, those who are trying to master a new technology. I would say they can stick with specific or general free open software technologies. So what are the advantages of free open software technologies? So I can just start. Yeah, this is also one free software. Yeah, I generally want to stick with free open softwares, but it is very uh, crucial when you start on these technologies. I would say whenever you are start hearing about free and open software, you just jump into this software and start try using it and try to master the inner parts of the softwares. So when we are talking about free open softwares, everything will be around Linux operating system, GNU Linux operating system. So there, the Linux operating system itself gives you a lot of opportunity to learn and master a lot of applications and programming languages. So if you look at GCC compiler, or if you look at Python language, everything you can try from it will be appropriate if you try it from Linux operating system. When you go with Microsoft or Apple proprietary softwares, the problem is it might have some market, but that might not give you much learning opportunities or the potential to build a new entirely different software or application. So when you know about the open softwares, the people who already built some softwares, when you start reading through the source and the design, you will get the confidence to build something like that, or you might get the drawbacks of that and you can build something from that to some new ideas. So that way free and open software technologies always helps you. Apart from that, if you look at last 10 years, I would say rather than the proprietary technologies like .NET or Microsoft technologies, the free open software technologies are very popular and it is very good in market. So it is always good if you start learning the free and open software projects. If you look at all the projects, Android projects or Hadoop, machine learning, Python projects, everything is open software, open source projects. So that gives you an idea on how the softwares are designed, what are the source and what are the difficulties, what are the bugs, how to support it. So all these things you can learn from free and open softwares. You won't might not get these opportunities or will not get these opportunities with proprietary softwares. Whenever you are getting an issue with that software, you have to contact the corresponding company to solve the issues. You might have the privileges to use and build the application on that software, but you never know what is that software or how it is built. If you really want to know how that is built, I would say open and free softwares always gives an opportunity for you. So if you look at the most demanded programming language nowadays, it will be Java, Python, PHP, JavaScript, Go language, Scala. Everything is free and open software projects. If you look at latest technologies in machine learning or mobile technologies, everything is free open software projects. Hadoop, Spark, Linux, Android apps, Apache, everything is open source free software projects. So it is always good if you start with free open software projects or softwares and try to stick on those technologies that will give you more freedom and opportunity to build new ideas. Okay, thank you so much. I'm winding for today. Thank you for hearing me.